There is such a culture, no question.
There really is.
Really true compassion and passion for what we do. Clearly, VA homeownership is a big passion for this company, especially with a corporate office being in San Diego. We've got one of the biggest military towns. We're very passionate about VA homeownership. How do you see that Synergy is also going that extra step of not just saying, yes, we do VA loans, but we're really passionate about giving back to the veterans?
Well, it's very interesting because really the beginnings of our interest in serving the veterans community came from our employees. We've hired veterans into key positions, whether it's in the sales side or the operations team, and we value their input and opening our eyes to the opportunities in serving. It has evolved into a much greater thing and embedding, you included, in the veterans community, serving the active community members of the veterans community, as well as the retired members, and sharing the education that is needed and opening their eyes to homeownership opportunities. And frankly, as the military aging population continues to grow as well, we think that there is an opportunity to educate them on home equity conversion mortgages as well in the reverse mortgage space.
Absolutely. I think there is not, VA loan isn't just a young person's loan.
No.
My own father, Air Force veteran, finally used his VA loan entitlement, about 2 years ago. All those years in conventional, he didn't realize. He's like, I didn't realize. And so it is important that we educate, as a community, that we educate veterans of all ages that maybe haven't used their VA loan yet. And I love how you've come in, and Synergy is doing such a great job about actually carrying and making this a relationship banking business.
It really is. It just goes so, the lending component is our little piece of it, but it goes so much further beyond that, and the connections we make in the community, us learning about them learning about what we have to offer. But really, as a lender, whether you're trying to figure out the millennial segment or any other segment of the market that you want to serve, who is more deserving than our veterans? I mean, it is inspiring right in its core. And so we think we're going to play a big role in that going forward.
Absolutely, because education is the key.
It is.
And we've got to get direct to those consumers. And if we're out doing outreach, if we're out in veterans foundations and their events that they're doing, and if we're out in the community where the veterans are, it gives us an opportunity to establish that relationship that they trust us with talking about such a precious topic as home ownership.
They deserve the peace of mind that goes along with home ownership. There's no question about it. All of the uncertainty that active participants in the military have, as well as our aging, they deserve the peace of mind on home ownership, and we just want to play a role in providing that education. And you and the rest of the team here are giving that life every day. And our broader and broader reach, as we continue to grow, we're going to remain constant in that to the veterans community.